Lush green grass can be a source of pride for homeowners. Luckily, maintaining a healthy lawn is easier than it may seem. With routine care and consideration, you can have a thriving landscape with bragging rights. Follow these 7 tips for a green and healthy lawn. 1. Do a soil test. Before you do anything, test your soil. You can buy a DIY kit at your local garden store. The test results will tell you the pH of your soil, along with your levels of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. Once you know what you're working with, you can make an informed decision about what type of organic fertilizers you'll be using on your lawn. 2. Plant native grasses. Though many of them look similar, different varieties of grass are just that, different. They grow differently and require different levels of sun, water, and soil nutrients. And like most plants, they are best suited to their native environment. 3. Don't mow too short or too often. Your lawn will be healthiest when you let it grow. Set your mower blades about 4 inches and only mow when the rain is expected in the next few days. Grass that is allowed to grow naturally has stronger roots and absorbs more nutrients. Longer periods without mowing will also help grass spread into any bare spots. 4. Water well, but only when needed. Most soil encourages the roots of your lawn to grow deep and strong. When your soil seems moist after a brief watering, it's actually dry underneath, and the roots can't dig down into the soil. It's much better to run the sprinklers for an hour once a week than for 15 minutes every day. 5. Aerating your lawn for natural healing. Like all living things, your lawn needs to eat, drink, and breathe. Once you have a healthy organic lawn going, including natural fertilizers and lots of earthworms, your lawn will breathe all by itself. If you're just starting out and want to help your lawn heal itself, you can rent a core aerator from a local equipment rental store and get it done in no time. Just like fertilizing, fall is the best time to aerate your grass. 6. Feed and fertilize your lawn regularly. Keeping your lawn green will require regular nutrients. Well-fed lawns will produce thicker grass that cools the soil and prevents weeds. You can easily feed your lawn by leaving grass clippings to compost and release vital nitrogen. Additionally, you can apply pre-emergent weed and feed in the spring to keep a healthy lawn and prevent weeds. You should follow up with regular weed and feed treatment after 8 weeks. 7. Overseed sparse areas. Dense grass looks good, deters pests, and keeps weeds at bay by eliminating the space they need to grow. If your lawn is browning or dying due to pests or the elements, overseeding offers a solution for improving lawn health. Overseeding by regularly spreading grass seeds will create a lush green lawn. The best time to apply seed is in late summer or early fall, but this may vary depending on your region.